Paano mag-cash in sa ating Shopee Pay Shopee account gamit ang GCash? Open GCash account, enter your PIN, click transfer, click local. Pwede rin tayo mag-transfer sa ating mga bank gamit ang GCash. So, scroll up lang natin, hanapin lang natin dito sa ibaba yung Shopee Pay. Ayan, click natin. Pwede tayong mag-cash in dito, maximum of 50,000. So, enter amount kung magkano yung gusto nating i-cash in. Account name, ito yung account name natin sa ating Shopee account. Account number, ito yung cellphone number natin na ni-register sa ating Shopee account. Sent recipient, optional lang naman to. So, enter amount, account name, and account number. 15 pesos fee will be charged per transaction. Then, click send money. Confirmed transactions will not be refunded. Please make sure that the account details and amount are correct. So, confirm lang natin to, check lang natin. I confirm that the details are correct. Click pay. Please enter the authentication code to your registered mobile number. Then, click submit. Ayan, bank transfer complete. Meron din naman tayong marireceive na notification at syempre check natin yung ating mismong Shopee account. Open natin. Click me, Shopee Pay. So ayan, refresh muna natin. Ayun. Dinagdagan ko lang yung laman ng aking Shopee Pay wallet kasi magbabayad ako ng aking SPay later. So ito yung aking gagamitin.